In this video, let me show you the way that you can change the Spotify streaming quality. If you have low streaming quality on your Spotify, there may be a few settings that you can change up. So to get started, open up Spotify on your app. Once you're inside of the Spotify app, in order to head over to the settings, tap on the profile icon on the top left, tap on settings and privacy, scroll down and tap on media quality. Now this way you can find all of the streaming quality and you can change it based upon your likings. You can do it for both the audio streaming quality as well as the video streaming quality. Now by default, all of the streaming quality will be set to automatic. So depending upon your internet connection speed, the quality may change. So if you want always a higher quality, you can tap on the high option. Do the same for cellular data as well if you stream music using your cellular data. If you have a premium plan, you also have the option of going to very high, but if you don't, high also works as well. Do the same for video streaming quality as well. Set it to high, and all of the videos or audios that you play will be automatically switched to a high quality. What you can also do is change up the equalizer. Head over to playback, scroll down and tap on equalizer. Now again, if you have a premium version of Spotify, you'll have different options to choose from. If you don't, you'll need to manually change things up to the point where you like how the audio is currently playing. So by doing these couple of steps, you can change in the streaming quality on Spotify. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.